Welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair in like 5 to 10 minutes. It's very quick, it's super simple, and it just makes it look super done and good. So if you guys want to see how I do this, then keep on watching. I use a 1 1/4 inch curling wand. This is the one I have. It's from Revlon. Honestly, I picked it up at Goodwill. I actually get most of my hair hot tools from Goodwill because they're like $7 instead of 70 or 80 or 200. They're way cheaper, and Goodwill has a policy. If electronics don't work, you can return them. So I've never had any issues, and it also allows me to try different like size barrels and try different ones for much cheaper. So little pro hack. And I love that it's rose gold and white. I'm gonna plug that in. I'm sitting on the floor because I don't have anywhere else that has like a clean background and an outlet. So we're gonna make this work. My hair is very thin and holds a curl well, so I don't worry about it being so hot. I usually try to put it at 350 to 400. If I need to go all the way to 450, I can, but I like to preserve my hair as much as possible. So we're gonna let that heat up. The Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast is the first thing we're gonna use. So I like to shake it up and then just kind of like pull my hair into sections and spray the roots from kind of far away. And then I want to really focus on the top part. And then the last thing for me, because I do have thin hair, is I always go in the back. Okay, so once that's done, I just shake it up, and it's gonna give my hair some volume. So I'm just going like this to my roots, and I can feel where the product is. So it gives it a little poof and it smells kind of good. The next thing is you can take a clip or a scrunchie or a hairband. You're just separating your hair at the bottom, so you have maybe like the first like row of hair that's like this much, 1.5 inches, 2 inches, and the rest are just putting in a bun on the top of your head. And I like to use a curling iron, not a curling wand, for this type of like full curl. I would probably size up to 1.5 inches if you had like very long hair or very thick hair. So the first thing you're gonna do is take a section like this big. I don't really know how to explain this. I like to do different size pieces, but it's kind of up to you. Take your barrel so that this part, the like round part, is facing towards your back and the clip is facing towards the front. And you want to make sure all of these pieces that are like around your face are going towards the back of you. So once you have it hot and ready to go, you clip it about 1/3 of the way up your hair, maybe like 2 inches from your head, and then you twist towards your head. You leave that for a few seconds. You take your clip and you go down and you twist up again. Leave for a few seconds, and then once the end of your hair is in the wand, you twist all the way up and hold for like 5 to 10 seconds. And then when you pull it out, it's very important that you just go straight down instead of unwinding. Now we're going to take this section here and we're going to go the opposite direction because it's not the second piece. We're going to alternate pieces. So we're going to put the barrel towards our face, twist up, pull down, twist again. On the other side, this side's a little bit thinner, so we're just gonna go like first piece closest to my face, going back. Then we're gonna go up to like where your eyebrows are and make a straight line all the way around your head. I like to finger brush it instead of regular brush it because it if I like use a brush, it makes it a little poofy, if that makes sense. This piece is closest to my face, barrel's going back, just so you guys can see it one more time. So I'm going about 2 inches from my head, spinning towards my head, holding it, releasing the clip, going down, twirling again, releasing the clip till the ends are in, twirling up and holding. When I'm ready to take it out, I'm pulling straight down. Now the next piece, I'm going the opposite direction. I really like this method because I often used to find when I would use curling irons, I would get like a line in my hair, and that's just not cute. And also it gives like these very big luxurious curls. So I part my hair to one side, so this side of my head is going to be fuller. So I'm going to do this into 2 sections, and this will be my last section on this side. Sometimes what I like to do is this top layer I'll leave on the front, and then this part that's already curled I'll throw to the back so I can see what hair is left to do. The top layer, I do like all of this hair, not all of it, but like anything from my ears, like if you were to draw a line from my ears forward, should be curled away from your face. You also want to make sure that your hair is flat on the barrel and not like clumped all together, because that will give like fuller curls. Whereas with like if you were to just go like this, it's just like not as full, so it will matter later on. Okay, so okay, so then for the back, I like to like just lift up the part that lays flat. And because if you curl to one side or the other, then it will like make a weird split in the back of your head. So I like to take this piece and then I curl it so that like this, where the barrel goes under. So like this, and then I do the same method but on like a flat way. And then I pull it down. Okay. Then I go in with the BB Thickening Dry Spun Finish. So then I'm going to take this and I'm going to shake it and then hold it pretty far away and just then I'm just going to like kind of tousle it up with my fingers to get a little bit less of like a, I don't want to brush it personally because then it just gets like a little crazy, but I just run my fingers through it, make it a little bit messier. The last thing I'm going to do is go in with the Orbe cream for style and just do a little of that. Just like a little bit of it on the ends. Give it some, like a little bit more polished. And then I don't like flyaways, so I just use the like leftover on my hands. There we go. This is my final hair. This is how I curl it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it taught you guys how to get a quick, easy hairstyle in the morning and how to curl your hair so it's looking bleaky and looking good. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.